Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have a Google Pixel Watch 5, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the recovery menu. And factory reset could be useful if you want to wipe your watch and maybe sell it, give it away to somebody. You could also connect it to another device, or if you want to try to fix your watch, but that's like a last step or last resort thing, because if you factory reset your watch, it will lose all of your data and settings from it, so be aware of that. And of course I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. And entering the recovery mode on this watch, it's a bit tricky, because first we need to enter the fast boot, and to enter the fast boot you need to turn off your watch, and once you turn it off you will need to turn it back on, and then when you see the Google logo on the screen you need to tap on the corners, not corners because there's no corners because it's a round screen, but basically on these points right here on the screen, on the edges. And once you tap on them, your watch should enter the fast boot mode, and then we can continue from there. So let's first turn off our watch. Come on, show up the power menu. Okay, power off. And after the watch turns off, turn it back on. And like I said before, when you see the Google logo, keep tapping like this on the screen. So let's turn it on. And then let's tap. And you should enter the fast boot. Now press the side button. And here we have our fast boot menu. To scroll through it, use the side button, like this. You scroll down through it by using the side button. Select the option called recovery mode, and once you select it, press the crown button to confirm, and the watch will reboot into recovery mode. And if you see no command on the screen, what you need to do is to press and hold the crown button, and while holding it you need to swipe up on the screen, and you will enter the recovery menu. In this menu you can scroll through the menu by swiping up and down on the screen, but you need to do it on the middle of the screen, because if you try to do it on the sides or like bottom and top, sometimes it won't be responsive, so do it like in the middle. And to confirm selections, you swipe left or right on the screen. So let's scroll down and select the option called wipe data / factory reset, and once you select it, swipe left or right to confirm, then select the factory data reset, swipe left or right to confirm, and after the wipe is complete you will need to select reboot system now, and once you select it, it should be selected by default, but just in case, select the reboot system now and swipe right or left on the screen to confirm, and the watch will reboot and it will start the installing process. It will basically reinstall, and after it's done you should see animation on the screen telling you to pair your watch with your phone. So this might take a while, I would say about a few minutes max. I'm gonna come back to you once it's done. Okay, and as you can see we have the animation on the screen, so that means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch, by using the recovery menu on it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.